Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase new cards for your collection on Marvel Snap. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Snap game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to purchase or add new cards to your collection, tap on the gold bar icon at the bottom left corner, which will take you into the shop page. Now from the shop page, you can see the various different offers that are available, and you can also tap on cards at the top section, where you will find various different cards that you can purchase using your token packs. Just look at the various different cards that are on offer, and when you find an appropriate card that you want, you can simply tap on it and press the claim button, and after spending the appropriate amount, you can press the claim button in order to add this card onto your collection. After this, you can use this card by adding them to your deck and start playing with them right away. You may also find occasional free cards that you can collect, and there are also various different collections that you can check out. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to purchase and add new cards to your collection on Marvel Snap. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.